Hello everyone, it's Marky Mouse. Thanks for stopping by. You want to subscribe to my channel, you don't want to miss out on my Central Florida adventures and my Disney adventures. Today's adventure is going to be awesome. We are about to enter Walt Disney World. And look, we're catching up to Disney's cruise line bus. And that's Donald Duck and his 3 nephews right there on the side of the bus. I see Goofy, Mickey Mouse, and Minnie Mouse. Walt Disney World, where dreams come true. We're visiting Disney's Animal Kingdom today. And the cool thing is that we got here on time to see the parrots fly in and visit the Tree of Life. The parking lot trams are still not being used. Before we go in, we're going to stop right here at Photopass and have our picture taken. In our first photo, we're just like hands up in the air, like we just don't care. And then we took another photo where we're trying to be like Simba the lion. Rawr! And our paws are up in the air. And then the guy says, let's do another one. So we did another one. And that's it. They gave us those 3 pictures. Pretty cool. I'm so excited to be here. We're finally inside Animal Kingdom. And now we get to trek through this beautiful forest or jungle with some beautiful paths and explore a little bit before we can cross the bridge and get over to Discovery Island, where we will find the Tree of Life and be on time for the parrot feeding. This is so awesome. Let's enjoy this trek.
That was great.
Wow. It's still coming.
Yeah, they come close. Look how beautiful that one is. Oh my goodness, so beautiful.
If you want to be here for the parrot feeding, you want to make it to the Tree of Life by noon, or try to be here a little earlier than noon. They give the parrots their food at lunchtime. You don't want to miss this. It's so much fun.
Uh-oh, there's one left.
Where's the other one?
I think they're trying to scare us. He's not leaving.
There he is. There, right there.
He's not going anywhere.
Come on, dude. Fly
My
this
heart's
way.
like pounding, man. I swear you could feel the switch. And there's a deer eating by the Tree of Life.
Oh, look! In the back, a monkey!
They're playing.
Oh!
And now it's time for a snack to hold us a little bit so we can keep moving. Check out the little Simba bucket or popcorn bucket that's like a little drum. So cool. We got Woody. We can still have the Christmas ornament. There's the canteen. They have these little keychains or hooks that you can put on your backpack with Simba on them. Popcorn. So cool that they sell all these little buckets. They're awesome. I love that one with Simba on it. And there's Eva. That's my wife. She's from the channel Eva Loves Disney. Look her up and subscribe to her channel. Thanks for that, guys. Well, hello. You know we have popcorn over here, don't you? This guy loves his popcorn. He's on his way. He's sneaking up on us. Hey, buddy. You're going to want to subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss out on my Disney adventures. Stay tuned at the end. I have some bloopers for you. Some funny things that happen when I'm recording. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Leave me a big thumbs up on the way out. Hit that little like button. It helps me so much. It shows the video to other people on YouTube. Thanks for everything. Thanks for the support. Leave me a little comment and say hello. Let me know what country you're watching me from. Let me know what city, what state. And as you can see, I keep fumbling my words. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're about to enter Walt Disney World. And look, we are about to catch up with the Disney Cruise Line bus.